Well Optix is a SCADA package designed to perform remote monitoring, historical data acquisition, and control of artificial lift and other oil and gas field applications. For about $5 a day, you can know the conditions of your well at any given moment, and if something goes wrong, you'll know within 15 minutes no matter where you are because communication with the system are cellular and satellite based. Well Optix greatly reduces your SCADA infrastructure and allows you to monitor wells in remote locations from any internet connection or mobile device. Well Optix supports any field device that communicates by Modbus TCP or any other standard Modbus protocol, including all current and legacy Spock products as well as competitor products. If you're adding it to a Spock drive, packages can be installed in the factory or can be retrofitted in the field. Well Optix applications, to name a few, are ESP downhole conditions, beam pumps, injection pumps, and many more. Well Optix gives you two ways to access your data: in a list format or a visual field view. From this view, you can see how each well is functioning and where it is located. You can also click on individual wells to get detailed information for that particular well. The tank view allows you to view tank levels, pull and change settings for each tank, and view the performance of your entire system. The interface speaks in simple field terminology that is informative and easy to use. You also have the power to communicate with, and based on your security access, even make changes to your artificial lift controls. The overview screen gives you a detailed view of your well or field. From here, you can see how your well or wells are performing, make changes to settings or values, and drill down into specific data sets. The most useful feature of Well Optix is its ability to trend large amounts of data on your wells over time. Well Optix will trend data from the current time back to the date that the system was connected. A feature unique to Well Optix is the amount of production data you can trend for one well or across an entire field. You can trend one well against another and see how they're responding. You can trend different variables to get a clear picture of performance. For example, you can trend and sort based on VFD output current, output frequency, temperature, runtime, pump-offs, and many others. You can view data from a sliding scale from seconds up to 5 years at a time, and all of that data is stored on Well Optix redundant servers that are geographically separated. Well Optix allows you to add notes to mark significant events or to note changes in well equipment, control settings, and more. Notes are stored chronologically so you can more easily understand the effects that control changes have had on production. Notes show up in trend cycles so you can see what has happened since you last made a change and who made the note. Any note you add to the system appears in all trend reports. You can create and output custom trend reports into several different formats and email them to appropriate people. Well Optix allows you to set alerts based on well data, and when conditions are out of the range you set, it triggers an alarm and sends an alert through email or text messaging to your mobile device and/or your computer. With accurate information delivered faster, you can make better decisions to keep your well at maximum production. Your alerts are time and date stamped, giving you a record of all alerts, details about the problem, and acknowledgement. We created Well Optix to simplify your life, to give you easier access to more data on your wells, and help you make your wells as productive as they can possibly be.